In this project, you'll make an LED blink on and off. To build this project, you'll need your Arduino with the shield stacked on top. You'll need the LED module. LED module has these little prongs here where you fit the LEDs. You need a wire and your LEDs. You just need one, but I put all three choices here for you so you can pick any color you like. So we're going to attach this module here by taking a wire, fitting it into this socket. Now there's only one way this piece fits in. There's little feet on the edges of this. They're going to point towards the middle of this square. Once you have that attached, you're going to take the other end and attach it to D6 on this board. Then on this piece, you're going to take your choice of an LED, and you're going to add the LED. This little part right here is like a little socket for your LED. And the longer leg is considered your positive leg. There's actually a little plus labeled on the edge of this. You're going to slide this in there where the longer leg goes into the one on the far right that has the plus. Now, you may find that you need to push a little bit to get it in there. Once it's in there, it should stay in there. If you flip it upside down, shake it around, it should not come out of there, all right? So your LED is now attached. The next thing to do is a common thing to check for these projects. There's a little switch here, and it could be on V3 or 3.3 volts, or to the far right where it says 5V or 5 volts. And for these projects, it's recommended to keep it on the 5V. Now that you have all of that set up and ready to go, you can go ahead and plug in your USB cable, and then we'll go ahead and add the code in the Arduino software. Here's our Blink program, and we're going to look at it one line at a time here, particularly to understand what it does. Now, I want to show you what this circuit is doing when we run this code, so we're going to start by just simply hitting the upload button, and then it uploads it to the board. This time you can see that our LED is blinking kind of quickly. It's on for half a second and off for a quarter second. So when we take a look at the code, we'll understand why that is and where we can modify that to change how it's blinking. But to start things off, let's take a look at the first line. This is saying that we have a constant, C-O-N-S-T is for constant, integer, meaning it's a number, that we've named LED socket, that's the name of this variable, and it's set to the value 6. On our board, we used the pin D6 to connect our LED. Then underneath setup, we've identified that the LED socket is an output. An LED is a type of output, and it's identified here in the code. Here where you see the words for loop, this is the section of the code that's actually causing the blink. So what we're doing is we're writing a message of high, so digital write LED socket high, then we're going to delay for 500, that's in milliseconds, so half a second, and then digital write LED socket low, turning it off, and then a delay for 250 milliseconds. So that's how we have a half second on and a quarter second off. So now we're going to change this to 1000 and upload it again and take a look at your circuit, and you'll notice the time that it's off is now 4 times as long. It's now on for half a second and off for a full second. So what you're seeing here is that your code has two things going on. It's turning on the LED and off the LED. And the other thing is that it's waiting a time that you specify. So whether you specify 500 milliseconds, 1,000 milliseconds, 5,000 milliseconds, you change the behavior of how that LED blinks. So this is a starting point to then do some more interesting things with controlling an LED.